Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can connect your Shopify store to a domain. So for example, we are gonna go with Hostinger. You can go with any browser, for example, domain hoster, for example GoDaddy. So first of all, you have to head over to your Shopify store. Let me show you your Shopify store dashboard, and then after going to your Shopify dashboard, here you can see the settings option. Simply tap onto settings, and then you can see this domains option. Simply tap onto domains, and as you can see, there are some domains, but as your store will be fully new, then there might be no domains here. You just have to tap onto connect existing domain. After clicking onto existing domain, you will be asked to enter your domain's ID and password. For example, your Hostinger's domain informations. You have to buy a domain from here. Simply tap on to get new domain, and you can purchase any domain you wish to. For example, .com. Okay, so you can just search for it and you will get literally many types of domain from here. Okay, just buy one and then you can simply connect it with your Shopify store very easily. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.